Good morning, grade 4. Today we'll discuss our research. Our research consists of two parts, Model A about Unit 9 and Model B about Unit 10. In your research you can use your Science Fusion, our science book, or you can Google the information from the internet. So first question, what the two kinds of energy are used to move a remote controlled car? A toy of a car like this one. I need to know the energy used in this remote control. We talked before 8 types of energy. I need to know 2 types of energy that used in this remote controlled car. Second one, where you can get chemical energy. Chemical energy is a type of the energy we talk. We talk before some examples for chemical energy. I need to know it, and if you have more examples, you can say it. Question number 3. Which instruments are most alike? We have 3 pictures. I need to know which pictures are like and why. All of them make sound energy, I know. All of them make sound energy by vibration, I know. I need to choose the 2 instruments which are like and say why. Number 4, draw a picture that show ways that energy can change form. Examples from your home. From your home, give me any device that show how the energy transform from one form to another. For example, the TV. We give it electrical energy and the TV change it to sound, heat and light energy. Give me another example. Number 5. When you compress the spring, it gave potential energy. What was the source of this energy? The spring is like this one. When we compressed it, it will have a potential energy. Tell me what's the source of this potential energy. What gives this spring the potential energy? Number 6. Explain how does heat energy naturally move. Tell me how heat energy, we talked before, how the heat energy can move. Okay. Number 7. What is the kind of heat transfer take place in the following situation? Transfer by 3 ways we talked it before: conduction, radiation, convection. In each situation, we will find how the heat energy can move in this situation. First one, wind blowing from a warmer part of the country. The wind move from a warmer part of the country to another part of the country. How the heat transfer? Number 2, feet touching a cold floor. Number 3, hold your hand over a candle. Each situation choose if the heat energy transfer by conduction, convection or radiation. Question number 8. Mention 3 objects in your home that give off heat, then show how the heat transfers from this device. Is it by conduction or convection or radiation? Question number 9. Are gases usually good conductors of heat or poor conductor of heat? Gases like the air, any gas. Do you think is it a conductor or poor conductor? Poor conductor, it means insulator. Question number 10. Look around your kitchen. Find 2 things that conduct heat and 2 things that are heat insulators. From your kitchen, try to find any 2 examples for conductors and any 2 examples for insulators. Question number 7. How can these ducks stay warm in such cold weather? We have 2 ducks. Tell me how these ducks can be warm in this cold weather and say why. And say how. Okay, now let's start the second bundle, Model B, about electricity, Unit 9. Question number 1. What does the word neutral mean for the kinds of charge an object has? We talked before that we have 3 charge: positive, negative, and neutral. I need from you to tell me what the meaning of neutral. Question number 2. Draw atom has 2 protons inside the nucleus and 3 electrons. After you draw it, try to find the charge of the atom. Small hint to be remember how we can find the charge of the atom. We was comparing the number of protons with the number of electrons and find the charge of the atom. Question number 3. How can you cause an object to have a static electricity? All of you in our session, when we illustrate this part doing this activity, how we get the static electricity. Number 4. Describe the motion that occurs during electrostatic discharge, like thunderstorm, when the positive and negative charge meet each other. What happened? How the charges move? Question number 5. List 3 devices that are use electrical energy from batteries and 3 use the electric energy from electric generating station. Tell me 3 devices we use the battery to use it, and 3 devices we use the electricity from electric generating station to use it. Number 6. What's the difference between electric current and the static electricity? Tell me some difference between static electricity and the electric current. Question number 7. Why isn't safe to use an electrical appliance plugged into the socket near water? Why is danger to put an electrical device in a socket near water? Tell me why dangerous. Number 8. Why is the human body is a conductor? Why our body conduct electricity? Tell me why the human body conduct electricity. Number 9. Draw parallel closed circuit with 2 lamps. We know before that we have 2 types of circuit, parallel and series. I need you to draw a parallel circuit with 2 lamps and a closed switch. You have a picture. In question number 10, you have a picture. I need to know why these lamps didn't light. Tell me what's the reason for these lamps that didn't light. Question 11. Look at the pictures of balloon below. Each picture shows a charge on one balloon. Look at the way the pairs of balloons are interacting and draw the charge on the second balloon. We have the 2 balloons. One of them attract and the other repel. Tell me the charge that you will put in this balloon and this balloon. Tell me the type of charge you will put in each one. First one to attract and second one to repel. Question number 12. Each part of circuit, this is called electric. Question number 12. Each part of circuit, this is called electrical circuit. Okay, I need to know each part, write the name of each part that performs the job listed below. Which part is a source of current? Which part carry current? Which part turn on the circuit and turn off the circuit? The last one, which part change electrical energy to light energy? Question 13. Look at the picture below and draw line to show how the 3 wires could connect to make the light bulbs up. I need you to complete this circuit to let these bulbs to light up.